Hi guys, welcome to this video. We will be talking about the VIVITAR Aero video drone app today. First, let us click on the home page, the home icon at the top left corner, and we click on the question sign icon on the bottom left. It brings us to the app interface instructions, which basically just describes the various icons on the interface. So let's go back, push start. We see that at the top toolbar it shows the altitude, the distance, the speed, and even the satellite that you're running through. And also at the far right top corner, you have the settings icon. And once you click on that, you can play with the joystick, change the joystick mode, the speed, decide whether you want to use the magnetometer or the accelerator, and then you check on the parameters as well. It's defaulted to the highest parameters, is for example the height, and you can only reduce it. You cannot go above the default parameter, that highest parameter, that the drone comes with. Then you have the map. You can choose the standard, the satellite, or the hybrid, and also you can click on others, which is just only the camera inverse. You can decide to inverse your camera. Okay, if we go back to the left corner of our screen and then we click on the flight mode, which is the drone icon, the icon with the white dot is simply the exit, and then to the right of that is the waypoint, and then we've got the follow me icon, which is the one with the arrow that a lot of people have been asking. So if you click on that arrow while your drone is in mid-flight, it will default to the follow me mode. And then of course the last one is the orbital. And then beneath the flight mode is the joystick. When you have that X or that cross sign, it means that you can now control your drone from this interface. But if you click on that and that X disappears, then you have to use your remote control. And basically it's just to click on your screen, leave your finger on your screen, and then you can move it from left to right, up and down to control the drone. And likewise, if you click on the right side, let me click on the right side, you can move your drone to the left or to the right, or up, forward and backward. So you can just play with that, and pretty easy. And then beneath that you have the one key return, and then you have the lock, which is the one key unlock, and then beneath that you have the one key takeoff, which are pretty self-explanatory. And then to the right side of the screen you have the map. That basically just shows you where your drone is and where you are. Then you have the VR, and also beneath that you have the camera that you see in red and the video camera. To the best of my knowledge, you can only view your footage live. You cannot store it. I've tried, I've done a little bit of research. I've not yet discovered how to transfer your video from this app. So please guys, subscribe, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thank you very much for watching this video.